cramp.
Whoa! Whoa! Just had another cramp with it.
Keep going, buddy.
Oh man.
They don't know what we did today.
Wow. It's as कति तारिक हो 11 हैन 11 तारिक October. Now it's 6:15 in the morning. And I'm going to do something which I never thought of. I'm going to run 34 kilometers in my life with this guy. It's my yes.
It's me, Sudarshan Guru.
Sudarshan Guru. Let's go. So fueling off, and this is our snacks. So 6:30 मा जाने भनेको तर नेपाली टाइम भयो almost 7 o'clock. Ready for 34 kilometers in my life. I never run 30 kilometers, right? 30 kilometers कुदेको छैन क्या 34 kilometers I'm doing the trail running as a. So like let's see how it goes. And the thing is like okay, no, we'll see you later. The thing is like no training, nothing, no warm up. It's just fucking go. Sometimes you just gotta do the thing. No compromise. So starting is just like just walking and like a warm. Okay, let's start. So start it. Matthew or something. Come on. Morning, Didi. हामीलाई चाहिँ still थाहा छैन which trails we're taking today. हैन? We just have to make 34 kilometers on a trail run. That's all we have to do. So, just 10 minutes since we left home. Wow, it's a really nice morning to run. Love this light. भाइ यताबाट हैन उहाँबाट चाहिँ यताबाट बाटो छ ल एउटा ट्रेल. Let's take that trail. खासमा यो रनिङ प्लान चाहिँ एकदमै सरप्राइज भएको क्या हिजो. हामी जतिकै गफ गरिरहेको थियौँ नि. सो सुदर्शनलाई चाहिँ आज मैले घरमै बसौँ न त आज विकेन्ड जस यतै के गरौँ भने नि उसले चाहिँ. सो विकेन्डमा चाहिँ सुदर्शन चाहिँ लङ रन जाँदो रहेछ क्या with his friends हैन. सो विकेन्डमा चाहिँ उसको 34 kilometers at least. And he has to upload this on Strava with others group. And I had to join him. And सिधै straight बाटो अलि अप्ठ्यारो होला है. I had to join him. And it was really, I don't know, a good idea or a bad idea to take this challenge. And I had no training at all. I haven't been running like 2 of that way ago. Not really running, but only cycling. I was just out of town. So let's do it. Oh fuck, where are we? I think this is not a trail. Brutal हुनेवाला छ यार आजको ट्रेल रनिङ भाइ. त्यहाँ अगाडि हल्का पहिरो छ है. So watch out. Oh shit. सिधै up सिधै जाउँ. अब त आइसक्नु लाग्यो. यो सेक्सन अब क्रस हुन लाग्यो. So there will be no more section like this. So fuck dude ब्लबमा सिधै हो उयो त्यो रुख आइसक्यो त सकिसक्यो नि wow look at this view guys like that's Ganesh Himal over there oh worth getting up early man घरबाट निस्केपछि अहिले 30 minutes भयो है just I can already feel every fucking muscles oh. And the sun is getting warmer and warmer now हैन अहिले चाहिँ हामी यो बोसन डाँडा पुग्न लाग्यो है माछे गाउँबाट बोसन डाँडा 20 minutes I think I'm getting in a form now wow made it the first pass huh डाँडा जाने
हैन यो हो कि क्या
बस्न डाँडा त्यही हो
कसरी
चुस्नुपर्छ यार दुध खास्दै गर्दा okay fuck कस्तो सुदर्शन
yeah
ठिक छ
it's fun
है
it's great
okay let's just slow down a little bit अलि बिस्तारै जाऊँ अनि so हामी I think we going to Dashankali road and this पछाडि Farping Hattiband resort along this ridge line to the home so it's gonna be a fucking intense day so let's do it good morning morning beautiful morning wow woo right buddy let's go run with us come on oi मलाई टोक्न जान आइज आइज good boy नटोक है तँलाई we got a trail buddy here come on let's go yes oh shit I think he wants some love to Darshan माया खोजिरहेको छ यार you don't mind doggy style हाम्रो स्याडो देख्यो स्याडो वाउ तोरीहरू क्या राम्रो क्या अहिले फुलहरू अनि स्पेशली यो बिहानको लाइटसँग चाहिँ वाउ getting up in the morning is a hard thing once you're up things start to go in motion so most importantly get up early it's worth it guys so we just climbed like our ass off and ended up in a dead end bro have to go back down again holy shit but the view is nice though hi view is worth it even we had to suffer like this climb was so steep oh shit oh picture perfect postcard perfect Nepal so हामी चाहिँ बाटो बिर्सेँ यताबाट है यता बाटो बिर्सेर just wrong trailमा गएछौँ so dead end पुगेर फर्किनु पर्यो अनि finally on the track now shut up bitch we're just running running गाउँको यो गोरेटो बाटोहरू अति बवाल छ है यस्तो राम्रो यो बिहानको हैन घाममा यति दामी छ with my music and I have a riding friend a running friend not riding today After running, maybe riding. Oh, the dogs, yes. The dogs are everywhere. सिधै गइदिउँ न कहाँ पुग्दो रहेछ होइन ल हेर ताको बाटै छैन रहेछ यताबाट जाउँ It's always like this कता हो कता अहिले हामी यो बोसुन्डाँडा कटेर कहाँ पुग्नु लाग्यो भन्दाखेरि त्यो दक्षिणकालीको रोड पुग्नु लाग्यो दक्षिणकाली जाने रोड छ नि तौड माथिको जाँदैछौँ है चिप्लिन्छ बाटो एकदमै याद गर्नुपर्छ तर यार यो भ्यू चाहिँ अति बवाल छ यार नमस्ते बा Ba is still moving in this age. Good job, Ba. Such an inspiration, Ba. Aunties are moving. Namaste, auntie. It's just nice to move, you know. Do whatever, any kind of sports, just like your body has to move. I think moving is so important in life, guys. That's why I love being active. Whatever it is. Oh, Tauda, you can see really nice, man. Hola. So damn it. Wow. Feeling good now. Not tired. Kati kilometer bhayla, like around 10.
Yes, around. We're going to 8.
Huh?
8 kilometers.
8?
Yeah.
Fuck, just 8 kilometers?
Yeah.
I felt like forever, man. Shit.
It's just the beginning.
I stay, but it's all about mindset.
Yeah.
So don't worry about the distance, don't worry about the goal. Give your best effort. That matters. Come. Some dogs are nice. I said some dogs are nice. Some dogs are not nice. Dogs are like
Spikes.
जाऊ त
Spike belts on.
Some dogs are really friendly, guy. I know. But most of the dogs are like fucking so aggressive, so vicious, bro.
Oh, the
आइज म कहाँसम्म पुग्ने हो म चाहिँ जाँदैन यिनीहरू तर अझ दुईजना भेट्छ क्या घोडा हाम्रो दुईजना घोडा
with some spikes.
तिनीहरू खाना खाना जस्तो लाग्छ यार I think they look for food हुन्छ नि they search for food people give them food I think and so they're used to it
Okay.
They're filling up some water reach this station better to fill up water now than regret later. This is electrolyte. It's better to have some electrolyte so that you can get dehydration.
This man is cooked.
त्यो
Some
रोड आइपुग्नु लाग्यो मेरो लाइफको फर्स्ट टाइम हो क्या like 34 kilometers is like in the book. I want to like stamp it.
we are just gonna cook or we are just gonna get cooked.
I think we are gonna get cooked, man. Anyway, road
I think
आइपुग्यो
this is the Simpali road.
यो चाहिँ रोड दक्षिणकाली रोड आइसक्यो अब अलिकति याद गर्नुपर्छ है अब चाहिँ घाम पनि धेरै छ अनि गाडीहरू धेरै आउँछ सो वी हेभ टु बी केयरफुल हैन गो टु द लेफ्ट साइड Wow. Woo! Feeling good guys. अति बाबा म त अति नर्भस थिएँ क्या हिजो म यसलाई गरौँ कि नगरौँ पर अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ फिलिङ गुड होइन अब 20 किलोमिटर पुगेपछि के फिलिङ हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ म तपाईँहरूलाई भन्छु है So let's go. So it's quite dangerous है रोडमा रन गर्नु चाहिँ अनि because the continuous moving of vehicles and it's quite pollution dusty smoke so I'm kind of like masked on already. Alright. And how am I feeling? Positive. Look at that. So while you guys are taking a sip in a nice comfy coffee shop, or meeting your girlfriend, spending some romantic time. We're fucking getting cooked here. We're cooking our body, cooking our mind, but not overcooking. Woo! This Saturday should be like that. Sudarshan, त्यो दुईजना साइक्लिस्टहरूलाई ल भेट्दिउँ न. Sprinting. Oh shit, it's too early to sprint. I think it's a bad idea. Oh man. Let's go. Guys, one suggestion, don't take the road, man. Right? The roads are not in there. Stu full. Smokes everywhere. Gadi everywhere. Ati डर लाग्दैन छ है. अनि it's not fun. Try to take the trail as possible. That's my advice. I don't know what you think. Let me know. So hot right now. There's a lemon. अरे उयो खाइदिउँ न यार, भोक लाग्यो जस्तो भइदिएर. त्यहाँ अम्बा आऊ न एकचोटि. Let's have this. पाकेको दिन दिदी यो कति कसरी हो? 150. Oh, it's a nice little break, like just a couple of minutes. Felt like so relief. So nice.
Have some fresh fruits
Fresh fruits, yeah.
from the local market.
That guava was so good. Wow. Love it. It's gonna get us up there. The guava will help us to get up there. अनि साथीहरूलाई एउटा कुरा ठ्याक्कै रियलाइज गरेँ मैले रनिङ गर्दा गर्दै भर्खर होइन. त्यो के हो भन्दाखेरि लाइक while I was running on this highway, it just popped in my head. I just realized that there's so many trash highway मा चाहिँ सिधै फोहोरहरू हुन्छ है. अनि नेपालको जहाँ पनि जाऊ, जहाँको हाइवेमा पनि यो प्रब्लम चाहिँ तपाईँहरूले you can't avoid it.
Yeah.
Such a shame है. तपाईँहरूलाई एउटा simple request है, एउटा message from us. Please, फोहोर चाहिँ नगरिदिनु होला. Like I need to
13.5. Last Sportiva.
That's a nice shoes.
Rocking some Last Sportiva.
Not sponsored by Last Sportiva.
Yeah.
Much better to run like without shirt. Not showing off though. It's just how I feel comfortable, guys. I don't know about you, but do what feels good to you, you know? त्यही त हो नि, आफूलाई जे सजिलो लाग्छ त्यही गर्ने हो. Feeling positive, guys. Let's go.
We're entering the trail. Of course, we're positive about this run. Then we are going to complete it.
Yes, we will complete it, man. Yeah, it's also really sad. I just feel so sad to see है. यस्तो चाहिँ के हो यार, अब यो कसले म्यानेज गर्ने? अनि यो चाहिँ अब it's a nature के अब नेचरमा यसरी like the people come here in the weekend, fucking they drink, they celebrate, they party, they eat their fucking junks and then they just throw it like this. Shit, man. It's everywhere. Wow.
Who's
Well,
gonna clean up this mess?
I wasn't planning to actually come here and document this trash problems, but I couldn't avoid it, sorry. I had to capture it. So those who are responsible, please, if you remember, please come back here and then try to do the good thing, man. make a positive impact in the communities. That's all we are here for. Doing the good things. There's so many bad people around the world these days, and like we just need a genuine people. Just trying to connect the genuine people, right?
Yeah.
So
I think we are having
let's
some trail race today.
hand in hand work together on this issue.
Yeah.
I feel like my legs right now, I feel like rock, bro. It's so steep. Shit. Ooh.
Yeah.
I feel like my thigh, my calf are like fucking stone, man. Not even the resort. You can't avoid this trash. It's everywhere, eh? रुख ढलेको रहेछ यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा ट्रेल पनि छ के अरे नागेश्वर डाउनहिल ट्रेल माउन्ट बाइक ट्रेल लुक एट दिस म्यान दिस इज मलाई जस्तो लाग्छ नि यस्तो बनाउनै हुँदैन जस्तो
Someone left
लाग्छ
his phone.
Huh?
Someone left.
Oh shit. Who left his phone? Oh fuck.
Oh no. It's brand new.
No one's here?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Seems like a nice guy.
Hello. Oh, we just found this phone, eh? I don't know, someone's...
It's random.
Yeah, looks like this guy and
Like
his
this.
wife, maybe.
Guy or the girl, I think.
No one has called. So, what should I do? Should we leave here? I think someone will pick it up and then we'll just carry, eh? हामी बोकेर अनि maybe कसैले फोन यहाँ आयो भने हामी उसलाई
I
भन्दिउँ
think
होला
we are gonna hand it over to the
त्यो
resort.
रिजोर्टमा
Yeah. I think that's a good idea.
है
Someone might be.
फोन आउनु पर्ने हो त्यतिखेर त
Yeah.
Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 होइन रहेछ रे Let's do mine.
No.
होइन चाहिँ होइन Someone left the phone, man. Okay, let's go. Let's give it to let's give it to the resort, eh?
Yeah. That might be a good idea.
तर I mean it's better है हामी आफैले दिए हुन्थ्यो है यो फोन चाहिँ
Yeah.
फोन आयो भने त हुन्थ्यो तर नम्बर पनि थाहा छैन के अब यो पावर त दिइरहेछ Okay, we found this phone, है अब यो फोन चाहिँ कसको यो मान्छेले फोन गर्छ होला so we'll give him यो फोन
देखो भिडियो
जसले भेट्छ नि हैन यो फोन जसको हो नि जसले पाउँछ नि हैन त्यसले चाहिँ त्यहाँ गएर फोन टिप्नुपर्छ क्या एक डोको फोन लिएर आउनुपर्छ अनि मात्रै फोन दिने टाइपको हुन्छ नि त्यही गर्नु पर्ला जस्तो क्या हैन So let's go and fill up some water है यहाँनिर लास्ट हाम्रो पोइन्ट हो यो पानी भर्ने यहाँनिर GoPro पनि छ क्या लाइक कसरी एउटा के गर्न पाए हुन्थ्यो है
नत्र म त्यही बोकेर हिँड्छु नि त
यो हुन्छ तिम्रो फोन चाहिँ मलाई दिन्छौ
अनि त्यसै फोन लिनु फ्रेस फ्रम द
Okay. Sorry. धन्यवाद दे थ्याङ्क यू
यो के हो I think this one
यो हो
KBR त्यस्तो छ
KBR को हो यो Let's follow the KBR trail anyway.
Yeah.
Lo bro, lost my मेरो एयरपोर्ट
एयरपोर्ट
एउटा दाहिने साइडको एयरपोर्ट खस्यो क्या
जस्ट नाउ
भर्खर अहिले होइन एकछिन नै
यहाँ
खोइ कहाँ
ए
ओ शिट कस्तो ठिस क्या म त तर यसमा ब्लुटुथ के अरे
त्यो टिट गरेर गराउँछ
त्यो लस्ट भयो भने हुन्छ नि
टिट गर्छ
ट्र्याक पनि गर्न मिल्छ होला सायद त्यो चाहिँ मैले
टिट गरेर
नेभर ट्राइड
गराउँथ्यो
अलमोस्ट ह्याड टु डु इट होइन सो अहिले चाहिँ हामी हात्तीवनदेखि माथिको त्यो रिज लाइन चढ्दैछौँ अनि we're not sure माथि गएर डाँडामा गएर विल सी हाउ फार वी मेड होइन त्यस पछाडि विल किप कन्टिन्यू मेबी भालेश्वर चन्द्रगिरी भएर जाने हो कि स्टिल तलबाट बोसन झरेर फेरि जाने हो विल डिसाइड later किनकि we have to see how far we are
Yeah.
now. It's really talking about my physical condition. My legs feel like a stone. It's like feels like 10 kg more weights on my thigh.
With the extra weight.
Extra weight, and then there are 3 phones. The one is a missing phone on my pack of water, power bank, batteries. So let's go.
Yes.
हेलो हजुर हात्तीवनमा ठ्याक्कै म यहाँ माथि के अरे रिजोर्टदेखि माथि त्यो डाँडामा गइरहेको छु होइन हेलो फेरि टावर छैन क्या हेलो
What's the point?
एउटा अर्को कुरा नबुझेको है लाइक फकिङ छ अलवेज म मात्र यस्तो हो कि तपाईँहरूलाई पनि कस्तो लाग्छ लाइक यस्तो ठाउँमा है लाइक यस्तो विकास चाहिँ के हो क्या यो ग्रेट वाल चाइना जस्तो क्या यो वाट्स द पोइन्ट इट डजन्ट मेक सेन्स क्या केटा हो हेर्न लाइक एन्ड फोर यत्तिकै छ है लाइक सिट मेकिङ थिङ्क इभन वर्स्ट सो ब्युटिफुल द हिमालय नि त्यहाँ कस्तो दामी थियो तर what's the point, man? Who wants to walk on this kind of fucking concrete structure, brother? Like, I will not walk it, bro. I don't care. Fuck you, government. Like, this is ridiculous, guys. यस्तो त हुँदैन होला जस्तो लाग्छ है मलाई चाहिँ
यता बाटो हुन्छ त्यतापट्टि
चाहिँ यस्तो राम्रो नेचुरल ठाउँमा आएर लाइक मेकिङ थिङ्स इभन वर्स के खास भन्दाखेरि होइन झन् आयो झन् भत्कायो झन् मुजी के खालको बनाइदियो अनि लुक सो अग्ली ब्रो अग्ली Fuck you. Lot of stairs. अब चाहिँ स्टेयर हो है उकालो हामी साँच्चै भस्म सुरु गइरह भाइ There's a caviar trails. बाँदरले चाहिँ के हेऱ्यो भाइ Okay. यहाँ म चाहिँ के गेडा कुद्छ क्या यहाँनिर यो यस्तोमा के वर्कै छ यार के गेडा जस्तो कुद्छ यार हेलो हेलो यस ब्रो
के बिहारको टोलीबाट आउनुभएको
ए हो फर्स्ट टाइम यार यसरी लाइक
कताबाट स्टार्ट भएर कता एन्डिङ छ यो आज
आज फाकिङबाट सुरु
ए
हस्पिटल जान्छ
ए हजुर
त्यहाँबाट डाउन गरेर
ओके हामी चाहिँ मच्छे गाउँ झर्छु उताबाट
ए माथि
त्यतैबाट आएको त्यतै अब यसरी क्लाइम्ब भयो
जस्ट टोडी पुग्न लाग्यो होइन अब पुगिसक्यो
म चाहिँ त्यो उयसमा आउँछु खेल्नु अब पकोडा
अल्ट्रा
अल्ट्रा यो
अल्ट्रामा म नि
ए हो
गेममा प्लान
100K मा प्लान छ तपाईँको
Oh, alright, bro. Alright, bro. Thanks. Nice meeting you.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
Enjoy the road.
No, thanks, man. एकछिन कुद्ने हो फेरि हिँड्दिने हो Alright, guys. Half marathon in the book. I just did it. 21 kilometers. My first time in my life. Half marathon. Let's go. Whoa. How you feeling, Sudarshan? के छ?
Feeling great.
Feeling? I don't
good.
think so great त म भन्दिनँ यार. Feeling surviving अहिले.
Surviving this climb.
So, what I learned from this brutal challenge today is like I can run uphill like this after 20 kilometers. The only thing I can do is like keep moving, slow and steady, but it's impossible to fucking run up these stairs. I mean, you can feel me, but there are guys out there like a fucking real Iron Man who can run like this uphill. I mean, I have huge respect for you guys. Man, this is really something. Man, so good. You guys are fucking different breed, brother. Shit. Just taking a couple of minute break here, man. Shit. This stairs is है अति उकालो छ आम्मामा यस्तो I feel like 10 किलोको खुट्टा उचाले जस्तो लागिसक्यो यार.
This vertical stairs, man.
Oh, it's
It's
really,
fucking hell.
it's horrible.
But we are almost at the peak.
On the mission, we're so sweaty. Let's go.
देउराली मछीगाउँ.
Okay.
चम्पादेवी देउराली मछ.
यो त खुट्टै ल
क्र्याम्प भयो क्या?
Oh, I think cramp भयो यार खुट्टा.
एकछिन भयो त्यसरी हल्लाउनु.
खोइ के हो
क्र्याम्प भएको जस्तो भयो अरे.
हजुर
स्प्रे छ तपाईँसँग? अनि त्यो लगाउनु त यही हो.
कस्तो
त्यो उयो हो यार क्र्याम्प हुनलाई.
bad for the environment. Destroyed, man. जम त्यो मोटे अङ्कलले छोडिदिइसक्यो बेइज्जत. After 20 kilometers, my physical situation is like it's getting different. हामी यता सही बाटो नि हो नि है हो. Muscle cramp हुन खोजिरहेछ है. It's first time I'm experiencing this like yeah. मेरो खुट्टा यो तल यो दुईटा त्यही भइरहेछ. Thank you दाइ. Thank you.
यो यता पो भेट्यो त ल.
So that's caviar trail.
यताबाट साँच्ची चन्द्रगिरी निस्किने कता पो हो? सिधै हो होइन?
Oh fuck.
ल ठिक छ.
Like feeling like here. Oh, feel like my muscle wants to work itself, eh? Hello.
Let's go.
Come on.
Hey.
Oh.
At least there is some place to run. Japanese are so there.
कस्तो राम्रो ट्रेल है.
यो माथि यही बाटो गएर यही बाटो फर्कियो होला है उनीहरू.
होला.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, almost to the top of the course, है. मेरो हालत चाहिँ अब एकदमै बस्नै भइसकेको छ. एकदमै I can't even imagine like running up this stairs क्या. यो उकालो यस्तो ठाडो छ यार, यसमा कसरी कुद्ने यार. So it's like try to do a fast hike as possible. अनि when there is a flat ground है त्यस पछाडि चाहिँ हामी रन गर्छौँ. And downhillमा पनि we'll run. But now it's a stupid idea to run here. I don't care like am I late or what. I really don't care. I care my body. I listen to my body, whatever the body tells me. My body is telling me right now is like just don't run. Just keep moving but don't run.
Thank buddy.
Oh man. Let's go. Almost to the top now. Shit. Woohoo! We're on the top, so we're so happy, eh? I know, right? Kids, right?
Yeah, feeling happy.
Oh man, feeling good. Let's go. Wow, trail running is wow. मैले चाहिँ अहिले सुने यस्तो सोच हुन्छ र सोच्दैन क्या. Like it's a new experience, but it was brutal. Hats off, man, to all those Ironmans out there. It's crazy. फर्किनु भयो ल ओके दाई गुड लक दाई
Thank you.
ओके
Yeah.
okay thank you so nice oh shit my oh
cramp.
oh oh look at that
त्यस्तै हुन्छ कि क्र्याम्पको लागि
देखियो देखियो क्र्याम्प खतरा भित्र छिर्दै यार
त्यसरी छिट्छ होइन अझै त्यो बसिरहेको छ त्यो तपाईँले
oh shit oh
एकछिन खुट्टा हालेर बस्ने
oh
फेरि त्यो क्र्याम्प भयो भने त 5-10 मिनट यत्तिकै बसेको गर्नुपर्छ
30 minutes of 30 kilometers trail running is like I'm experiencing this fucking cramp which I never had before eh? Let's go
oh fucking hell
this is trail running brother
ट्रेल एकदमै म्यानेज छैन रहेछ यतापट्टिको स्केची
चिप्लो छ एकदमै ढुङ्गाहरू
बुस feeling happy after ascending that peak.
There's some hikers.
Okay.
Here, let them go.
चन्द्रगिरी डाँडा अगाडि नै आइसक्यो अब त.
Oh. This is not a hiking trail, running trail, guys. This is a jungle safari here. So it's like the problem here. There is no proper hiking trail maintenance here in Nepal. And त्यही त नि अब जसलाई त्यस्तै मतलबै छैन. गर्नुपर्ने मान्छेले गर्दैन. अब के भन्नु. हामी त रनिङ गर्ने मान्छे हो. ट्रेल रनिङ गर्ने मान्छे हो. हैन? आजलाई चाहिँ Hello. We have to run here flat मा as long as possible. Just had another cramp. त्यस्तो उयो चाहिँ हैन सिरियस चाहिँ तर हुन्छ नि एउटा cramp हुनु खोजेको जस्तो भयो के. So I had to like stop. I'm losing a lot of time actually. यसरी नै यसले के हो खुट्टा के यस्तो क्राम्प भयो. Still we have to do like around 11, I think 10 kilometers more or less. It's gonna be slow slow tara I will do it. Let's do it. Come on, let's go man. My first 34k trail running, it was brutal. I'll never forget, man. Right now, let's check. We're on the road already. 25. You can see 25 kilometers so far. We still have to go about 8 kilometers more or less. I can't even like think right now, man. Fuck. I'm like fucking so cooked right now. So cooked. So cooked, bro. Yes, I do. Cooked,
Yeah.
no?
I don't feel cooked, but I need some cooked food.
After this, it's all downhill road. The road is like just off-road. It's much easier to run. Right now, and so त्यसकै लागि चाहिँ we're just fueling up. We need some energy.
So
26 किलोमिटर पछाडिको हालत यस्तो छ है.
so how are you feeling?
Yes. Motivated, bro.
Yeah.
Motivated. We just crossed 30k just now. And I'm एकदम close, okay? So close. Woo! Oh man. First time in life, 30k trail running was brutal. Anyway, once in a life, maybe I would love it. Alright, let's go. We are so close. Just a little push. Come on. Ready?
I'm ready.
Just a little push. Fuck. Sudarshan is like agadi छ है. So he's making a kind of face. Shit. Last आयो उसले चाहिँ अब all in दिइरहेछ क्या. Full gas. Bro, मेरो जुत्ता चाहिँ यसलाई मेरो खुट्टाको नङ लामो रहेछ हैन. काट्ने बिर्सेर चाहिँ यस्तो दुखिरहेछ नि like I'm forcefully running क्या खासमा गरी. But what to do? I have no choice, man. Suck it up, man. 1 kilometer to go. Give all you got, bro. तर यति नै हो क्या पेस चाहिँ अब हाम्रो जति नै हो नि. 1 किलोमिटर बाँकी छ हैन. Right now there is nothing left actually. I don't know how am I moving. It's just crazy. It's like, I mean, म रन त गर्छु हैन. त्यस्तो like 5 kilometers चाहिँ अब normal गरिरहेको हो like हप्तामा 2 जोडी 3 जोडी. तर धेरै भयो कि रन नगरेको. It's like 3 weeks जति भयो होला सायद. I haven't been running. अनि एकैचोटि it's just a crazy idea. 34 kilometer trail run. Fucking brutal. ठिकै छ सकिन लाग्यो. First time in my life. It's a good thing. So 33 cross भइसक्यो है. It's just about 100 meters or 200 meters left to be 34. धेरै छैन. 34 पुग्नै लागिसक्यो. So we're just trying to make a deal. अलिकति नपुग्ला जस्तो भयो. So we're just trying to do a little longer. But we're so close and we can't wait to celebrate tonight. So, man, my body feels like June again. So heavy feel bad. Strava, I show you guys on Strava. Can you see it? Oh, shoot, no. So on Strava now, yeah. Oh, we just hit 34, bro. Just now. I have to celebrate.
Yes,
Well
man.
done, well done, well done. Wow,
Ah,
34 kilometer in the books. अब हाम्रो घर चाहिँ यहीँनिर हो नजिकै हैन. सो सर लाइक अलिकति पुग्दैन होला भनेको तर 34 हानिसकेछ क्या. 34 kilometer, yes bro. Wow. I don't know how to explain it.
congratulations भनेर क्या त्यो ऋषि धमालाको बात.
Man, what a run. This upload goes to you guys. You know, for those of you who are pushing their limits and trying to break, you know, boundaries. So this is upload. This is for you guys, for all of you. Yep. Yeah, guys, thank you so much, guys. We're gonna. Fuck. We are so happy now. Finally, it's over. And it's like 1:30. Fuck. Wow. We started like near around 7 o'clock this morning. Wow. So happy. Wow. Please do subscribe the channel, huh, guys. I mean, you guys motivate me like this. Like just so तपाईँको साथ सहयोग is really important. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Oh my god. We are here in Machegaon now, finally. Same place we started, and now same place we are here. Okay. So proud of myself right now. And proud of this guy too. I mean, he's a runner, so I mean, good for him. I'm just like a freedom runner, you know. I don't run for like professionally, so oh, wow, what a run. What a run. Cheers for that.
Water.
Still have to hand over this missing phone to this owner, so I will wait for him. Just want to let you know that when you're on the move, you'll figure it out. त्यही रहेछ क्या. I was nervous, you know. I was skeptical about the plan, but yeah, everything worked out. I wouldn't say it's smoothly they won, you know, but still it worked out. Usually I have like 5 kilometers, maximum like 12 kilometers. That is my road मा त्यो पनि like, you know, city मा, अनि 5 kilometers around just you मेरो घरकै वरिपरि they are nice trails, so चलाउँथे हैन. तर this was a huge stretch आज चाहिँ. Thanks so much for watching this, guys, and we'll see you guys for the next interesting stuff. Take care. Cheers.